Hello, I'm Panya Vardhan. I'm investment banking intern at Insight Solutions. Today's video presentation topic is exploring equity research coverage initiation. So under this process, any research firm or a financial analyst basically understands and analyzes a company's stock and then make investment recommendations on it. So this process actually begins when a research firm finalizes that this is the company they are going to analyze, and this actually depends on the interest of investors. Whatever company they are interested in, the brokerage firm or investment firm will start analyzing it. Now, they have to do a very detailed analysis on the stock of that company. Here, a financial analyst basically studies the financial statements, business model, the competitive position of the company, and try to understand various macroeconomic factors that are affecting that company's stock. Once the analysis is done, the most important part comes where the research firm or the financial analyst have to make the investment recommendations. So on the basis of the analysis, they either make buy or sell or hold recommendation to their investors. Once this entire process is done, it's the responsibility of a research firm to publish whatever information they have got, whatever analysis they have done for the public, for the stakeholders, so that they can take help from it, they can use it. Now what happens is that once this process takes place and the information is published, this affects a company's reputation a lot. For example, if it was a positive coverage, then it's possible that the company will get a lot of new investors. But if it was a negative coverage, it's possible that the existing investors might sell off their stocks of the company. So basically, a company's reputation matters a lot on the basis of these coverages that are done. At the end, the most important thing is that the research firm makes sure that they are following all the regulatory guidelines while performing this process. They have to maintain transparency here so that any conflict that can happen might not take place. So this is how exploring equity research coverage initiation takes place. Thank you.